Preview.
You are welcome to Valdymas College of Advanced and Preliminary Studies. My name is Obalo Yinka. In this lecture, we'll be talking about the scope and the purpose of micro and macroeconomics. So, broadly speaking, economics is divided into two phases, micro and macro, which is derived from a Greek word called micro and macro, which means small and large respectively. So we should talk about micro at first. Microeconomics is the study of economic behavior and the activities of specific economic units. Who are the economic units? Economic units are individual, firm, and government. Thus, microeconomics is the study of how particular firms and individuals make decisions. Basically, you should understand that microeconomics deals with studying of human behavior and also how economic agents make different decisions. I remember we said economic agents are the individual, firm, and government. Now we have different importance of microeconomics, which is also, we can say, is the purpose of microeconomics. The first importance is to understand the working of the economy and also to provide tools for economic policies. 3. It's helpful in the efficient of employment of resources. In microeconomics, we believe that the resources are at full employment. It also helps for business executive, helpful in international trade. It is also helpful in understanding the problem of taxation. It's also helpful for future prediction, also helpful for coordination of economic welfare. As we have importance of microeconomics, we also have the limitations. The first limitation is that it is based on unrealistic assumption of full employment in the economy. In any economy, we don't have full employment. Full employment of resources is unrealistic. It is based on the assumption of laissez-faire policy. This means that decisions are basically by the individual and not the economy and government. Also, it is concerned with the study of parts. Microeconomics just study parts. It neglects the whole. It studies some part of individual and not everybody in total. Now, for the last one, it is not only inadequate, but also misleading in several analyses. In some analysis, it is not, since we have unrealistic assumptions, it then means the solutions will also mislead. Now, talking about macroeconomics is a big picture of the study of the whole economy. Here, you should understand that the macroeconomics study the part or the economy in total and not part. It studies the whole. It does not neglect the whole. It is the opposite of microeconomics. It studies national income, unemployment, total investment, the general price level of goods and services. You should also understand that we have different importance of macroeconomics. It is useful in understanding the working of the economy. Both microeconomics and macro is useful in understanding the working of the economy. It helps in formulating economic policies in economic growth. It also helps to understand the behavior of individual units, helps in determination of income, and we have limitations of macroeconomics too. We have the fallacy of composition. Fallacy of composition, it means that what happens to the whole, it also happens to the parts, which is wrong. That is what we call fallacy of composition. To regard aggregate as homogeneous, it then means that in whole, it refers to a single unit. Homogeneous means everything that happens to a single body happens to everybody, which is a limitation of macroeconomics. Uses of macroeconomics also mislead. It misleads statistical and conceptual difficulties. And also, aggregate variables may not be importantly necessary. Thank you.